What's going on, SRT gang? You see the title, you see the thumbnail, man. Gonna install some Carven exhaust tips to the Hellcats. I don't got a name for it yet. I'm still trying to think of that, but yeah, comment down below. Let me know what y'all think I should name this joint. I don't know yet. But yeah, we finna install these Carven exhaust tips, man. If I'm talking funny, I'm gonna say it again. Got this Invisalign in my mouth, so can't say my words fully, but gotta grab these tools real quick. I set up the whole full D-Watt joint. I still gotta clean my garage. My garage is dirty, man. So we're gonna get the D-Watt joint over here. That's what we're gonna need. I'm gonna open that up in a minute and show y'all what that's looking like in there. But what y'all think of the cat so far, man? Y'all liking it? And you know, the video and picture I always don't do justice. Like I was looking at my IG picture, I'm like, it's not really what it exactly looked like. But when you see this joint in person, it hit. This joint hit, the Redeye. And subscribe to the channel, follow me on IG. But yeah, what y'all think about the nittles? Got the nittles put on yesterday, the 315s. I went with some 5.5 G2s. Yes, sir. Still been trying to break them in a little bit, you know. But yeah, I like them. And I still got 305, 35, 20s for sale if y'all need them. Y'all in Minnesota, hit me up. Yeah, man, so we're gonna get to this. Let me lay everything out real quick. All right, so this was going on the back of this is replacing the stock exhaust. You can see how small it is right now if you look at that gap between the exhaust and the back, the rear diffuser. You can see how small it is. So we're gonna replace these with 5-inch. I think, if I remember, I think those are 3. If I remember, I can't remember exactly. But I'm gonna throw these on real quick. I'm gonna open them up, let y'all see. I had them on my last scat, if y'all remember. All right, so we got this joint open. Got the little Carven exhaust. Let's see, there we go. See, it's backwards. Carven exhaust sticker. And you got the big, these joints chunky. Look how big they were. Let me take it off the pack real quick. If y'all want some, y'all better order them now because they back order right now. They take about a month to get them. But look how, say Carven on the top. I got the ceramic black. The joints is huge. I'm gonna compare them with the other ones when I take it off, but yeah, it actually gives the car like a deeper sound than more than these 3-inch on here right now. So we're gonna throw these on real quick. Let me show you guys what size. This is what's inside my D-Watt tool little kit. Got everything, all my car shit. So we're gonna find the right one to take this off, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So this is what you guys are gonna need for this project. Carven exhaust, 5-inch Carven exhaust, a 13mm socket, and a ratchet. All right, so this is what you're gonna need right here. Carven exhaust, 13mm socket, and a ratchet. And what you're gonna do is, there is you guys see that bolt right there? That's the only thing you take off. You're gonna take that off, loosen it up nice and loose. And sometimes these are kind of tough to take off, the exhaust tip. So if you got a mallet hammer, which I left mine at work, you wanna use that to get this off too. So that's what we're gonna do right now. You guys see that joint don't come off easy. Now I gotta find something to get it off. Boom, so we got that joint off. Y'all see, it's gone. And here's the difference. I don't know, can I kinda got bad lighting right now. Let me move this for y'all. Y'all see the difference? This is the stock Carven exhaust. Oops, let me fix that for y'all real quick. And I got black because as you see the silver one, it gets dirty and it just don't look good. You know what I'm saying? So I just got the black and it matched the car with the matte black or the satin black and stuff. So that's how they look right there. That's the difference. So we're gonna throw this on. We are going to measure, because we want the Carven exhaust tip or Carven exhaust name showing a little bit when we put it on. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean after I throw that on real quick. So, y'all stay tuned. So after you put it on, you wanna tighten it up a little bit. Tighten that joint a little bit more. So as you guys can see, I got the one to the right Carven exhaust tip on, and that is the stock to the left. That's what it looks like. This diffuser is different than the scat. It's a little bit, it goes in a little bit more. So I was trying to adjust to how I wanted it, and it wouldn't work out super good. So that's how it looks. You can make it stick out a little more. I kind of want mine more flush a little bit, so that's how it looks. And then you can see it from the side. You can see it really. That's how it looks right there. Carven exhaust tip. I'm gonna throw the other one on. Make sure you guys tighten these tight. If you don't tighten them tight, they come loose and they get the rattling. So make sure you tighten them tight. And yeah, so we're gonna get started on the other one. The five. We got the tips on. Everything nice and tight. So this is how the 5-inch Carven exhaust tip look. This is the finished product right here with the 5-inch Carven exhaust tips. Yes, sir. And make it a little more louder. Not too much, but it got a deeper sound. So that's how it look. I see that gold shining. Going crazy, huh? And now I just gotta do these tail lights. I got that in the house too. I'm not gonna do a video today. I'm just gonna throw those on. Might do that a little later though. But yeah, that's the 5-inch tips for y'all, man. See the Carven exhaust. So those are the old ones. We'll get rid of those. I think they cut this exhaust pipe a little shorter because I couldn't make it stick out like this one. See how I said you can see the Carven exhaust? This one you can't see it. I tried to fix it, but I couldn't, but it's all good. I made it close enough at least. So yeah, man, I get y'all Carven exhaust. My bad. Carven exhaust, 5-inch tips. They make some good tips. Shout out to Carven Exhaust, man. Gotta get a sponsorship with them. Y'all hit me up for that sponsorship. This is my second set, and I like them, so. But no, guys, that's the end of this video, man. Thanks for supporting the channel. Continue to support. We need a name for this cat right here. What y'all think? I don't know, y'all tell me. I know the red guts. And we got stars in the roof coming soon. Y'all stay tuned for that. We got some underglow. I don't know. I gotta stay tuned for the wheels. I'm gonna switch those. I don't know when. I'll just stay tuned for that. No, guys, we're gonna get out of here. Today's Sunday. I got a football game to coach, so I'm about to go get ready for that. Until next time, I'll catch y'all later. We out.